Good day, my name is Mike Kuhn. I'm the Southeastern Field Support Rep. Welcome to the Toolbox. Today we're going to talk about service and maintenance on the TM product. You can find the service and maintenance checklist on the platform. Let's get to it. Here at Snorkel we have three major inspections we do. Upon delivery of the machine we do the PDIR. This is our pre-delivery inspection report. After the pre-delivery inspection report we have a 90-day or 150-hour inspection, and we also have an annual inspection that we do. These inspection sheets can be found on the platform. This is the Snorkel pre-delivery inspection report. This inspection report can be found in the document box on all the new machines. Upon delivery, we ask you to fill this report out and get it returned back to us within 15 days. This report will validate your warranty. We ask that you fill this report out and get it back to us with any defects that you found on the machine when you received it. This report goes back to our production team so that we can correct the issues that you found. And next, this is our 90-day or 150-hour inspection report. Please contact your local service provider to perform this inspection. This inspection is similar to your daily pre-start inspection, however it goes into much more depth. And finally, the last page of this report is our annual or 500-hour inspection report. This needs to be redone within 13 months after delivery of the machine. This report is in addition to the 90-day or 150-hour inspection. This last final inspection includes changing the hydraulic filters and fluid and checking the pressures. That concludes service and maintenance on the TM product. Thanks for watching. For more helpful content, be sure to check out the Toolbox.